Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off a scenario in Make in 2026. If you want to temporarily stop an automation without deleting it, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the scenario that you want to disable. Next, click on the scenario to open it in the editor. Before turning it off, make sure there aren't any important automations currently running that you want to finish first. Now look for the Scheduling or Scenario Status Control near the top of the editor. You'll see a switch that indicates whether the scenario is currently active. Next, click the switch to change the scenario from on to off. Once it's disabled, Make will immediately stop running the scenario automatically, even if new trigger events occur. After turning it off, confirm that the scenario status now shows off or inactive. This lets you know the automation has been successfully paused. If you only want to make changes, you can edit modules, update connections, or modify filters while the scenario is turned off without triggering any automatic runs. Whenever you're ready to start the automation again, simply return to the scenario and switch it back on. Your automation will resume according to its configured schedule or trigger, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off a scenario in Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.